Right, so we're back. We dyed the back seats on the Mark 1 about a month or two ago, but in the process we accidentally got the parcel shelf as well. So with a lot of deliberating, a lot of thinking, I think we're going to do a load of the trim panels as well and go for a full interior colour change. I think it'll be a good idea. So we've got to clean them all up and get them all back in the car. So I think that came out alright. That's our first one. Let that dry for a while, see what the end result is for that. I think that looks okay. Again, using the Autobrite Direct fabric and plastic dye. Yeah, seems to be doing quite nicely. Right, so that's one coat on the fronts. Yeah, it's not too bad. Got some runs in the side there and everything else, but I don't think I'm going to see that, to be brutally honest. On the outer edges, it's actually quite uniform, which is good. And then obviously one coat on the centre console too at the moment. this had been painted by someone else previously very badly in about 3 different colours, so it was, well, I say it was quite hard to cover, but it's a bit patchy at the moment, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera. But there will be another couple of coats, I reckon, on this, just to make sure, and obviously then getting inside there as well, which is a bit of a pain. So here we go, much more dried out now, looking uniform, which is good. Them over there as well, and the 2 trim panels. Got a little bit of a run in this one here, but that's me, not the product, to be honest. I think I went a bit too crazy on that corner, but other than that I am well happy with the end result. What I will do, I'll leave a link for the die in the description for you. Now I've got to do is get it all back in the Mark 1, so let's turn on the time lapse and let's get it all in.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
I am a little unsure what to do with regards to the rear seats though, because you're getting a heck of a lot of transfer back. Now I've wiped these seats down a few times since I've painted them and whatnot. I would say the stuff is probably not the best. The Autobrite dye is not the best for fabric, but for plastics, spot on, spot on.
Horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
Right, so what started what seems months ago, and that is finally sort of coming to an end. So we got all the black stroke grey back seat, parcel shelf supports, and then if we come round to the front, we've done all the under tray along there, as you can see, and the center console. Excuse the no gator, I've actually ordered a new one because my one was disintegrating. But yeah, I'm happily impressed with the black. So I've got to make a decision what I'm going to do with this dash. We're definitely changing this out, and we're definitely putting in potentially new door cards. We're going to cover this. I was thinking of doing this black spray, but it's got such a glossy finish and everything else, I think it'll be blinding in the sunlight. So I've got to have a look at what we can do there. Obviously I don't want to leave it blue where everything's sort of turned black now, and obviously if I'm doing one-off door cards as well, it's not going to go, shall we say. Right, so I'll leave a link in the description for all the parts we used here. If you got any value and everything, then please do leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be great. And we'll see you again soon with whatever we're going to jump on next. I've got a few ideas. Give us a couple of weeks and hopefully something will be dropping soon. Take care everyone.